CAMLS provided probably the most important research experience of my undergraduate years so far. They provided countless support. Faculty members reached out to me to know what could they do, who could they connect me with, what resources could they get me. CAMLS has provided such a great research experience for me, presenting at all these different conferences, and the poster presentations and the PowerPoint presentations really just boosted my skills as a student, and I feel confident that I can present my ideas clearly. I feel confident in my projects. I started as a 3D modeler, just working on virtual assets. I kind of transitioned to a designer role, developing a physical prototype of an XR device, and that's been my work so far. I got into this research by just being curious about 3D modeling and virtual simulation. I applied to Star Labs. I started developing medical device assets. It kind of evolved from that as a biomedical engineering student to developing a physical 3D printed prototype in an XR device. That's how I started. If someone wants to work in CAMLS, I would suggest just doing some research, and I would recommend just like I said, to be curious.